Sup, viewers? Welcome back to Zelda Skyward Sword. On the last episode, I jumped on this island, hoping that I could open this box, but it didn't work. That's the reason this box won't open. Also, at the ending of that episode, I told you you can click on the subscribe button to easily subscribe. That Link was pointing at. Well, he's not Link, he's Love Machine. Yeah, Link is his cousin. They share adventures, every other one. Yeah, Link gets to be a wolf, and Love Machine gets a damn cap. I don't see the fairness. I'd rather be a wolf over getting a Minish cap. Yeah. So, now I gotta figure out a way to get back on to Skyloft. The island over there. Hopefully I can make it. Let's do it! No! Oh crap, I just died! Wait, what? How did I get over here? Oh, thank you, dude. You saved my life. Watch your step there. You can't always depend on knights like me to swoop in and save you. Screw you, dude. You're not all that. Okay, you're not. Just because you can zoom off on a bird, you're not all that. What are you doing? What the hell is this kid doing? I'm sorry, you're not gonna move the tree, kid. Not even a little bit. No, it's time not to get so funny. Okay, well, have fun. Hold up, Love Machine! Hey, Love Machine! Could you help me with something? All you have to do is A and dash at the roll into the tree. I'm not using my head to try and move a tree that's not gonna move. Just like I've been doing, dash and then shake the nunchuck when you're in front of the tree to BAM! Do a roll right into it. So come on, please. Kid, it's not gonna move, okay? The tree is not gonna move. My head's gonna hurt. Fine. Really? That's all you wanted was a bug. You could've asked, I would've grabbed the Sky Stage Beetle for you. Wait up! Please wait up! Ooh, Ruby. What? Aww, he lost his beetle. Aww, it's okay. I don't really care, but it's okay. There's more beetles, I think. I don't know. Ooh, heart flowers. That's cool. You got a heart. This item's life-giving energy restores one heart of life. Cool. I'm vandalizing your pots. Yeah. I'm vandalizing Link, or Love Machine, the vandalizer. Hey, do you know where my bird is? Hey, Love Machine. How's it going? The ring ceremony's about to begin. Yeah, right. Remember when Bit won last year? Won the last one? It was so close. Now there was a race. Hey, your Crimson Mothwing will be in the race, right? I'm looking forward to seeing him. Yeah, whatever, dude. That's no help at all. Hey, you three, I need your help. You know, Bruce, that sure was a pain. With all that scratching and picking. What? Of course it was. You thought a big Crimson, you took my bird, you mohawk looking. I'm gonna beat the red right off your hair. You think a Crimson Mothwing like that was going down without a fight? But we got him. And I don't care how tough those birds are supposed to be. He's not getting out of that pen anytime soon, boys. Yeah, back up. Don't want none of this. Love machine. So, yeah. Just how long have you been standing there? Long enough, dude. What's your problem anyway? Oh, wait. I got it. You here to talk about that race? Today's race. I can see it in those droopy eyes of yours. They're pleading. Oh, good. Can you please find it in your heart to let me win today, please? You're just desperate to win so you could get some low time with Zelda up on the statue of the goddess at the end of the ceremony. Oh, get out of my face, dude. Well, sorry, pal. Bruce doesn't do charity for whips. My advice, work hard and wish with all your heart. You might even come in second. Say, come and think of it, how come I don't see your bird? Where is that scuffle pile of red feathers? I can't imagine what could happen to him. Do you think his tiny brain got confused by all the clouds and got lost? Bring it on. Bring it on. Sure, only thing is, I don't know how you're gonna do that with no bird. You gonna grow wings? Oh, hell no. Get your hand out of my face. You know, we're all getting tired of how you never let anyone forget you and Zelda go way back. You've been friends since you were kids. Big deal. It doesn't change the fact that you float through life with your head in the clouds. Would you wake up, straighten up, and grow backbone already? Don't like you were dragging our honored academy through the mud. And just who might you be talking about, Bruce? Zelda, Ooh, she pushed him aside. She pointed her finger right at you. Don't even try it, Bruce. You're picking on Love Machine again, aren't you? He's a student at the academy, like all of us. Why do you insist on boring him around so much? I suppose. You suppose? Suppose what? You're an airhead, dude. I suppose you're... Forget it, I wasn't supposing anything, okay? Okay, we're out of here, boys. Later, Love Machine. Hope you find your bird, or else you're gonna have to sit out today's race. That could be a major setback to his knighthood, so find that bird, or get real used to the taste of failure. It's a special flavor. Yeah, no, my special flavor is whooping you. Too bad your bird didn't come, it would've been funny. I hate to say it, but I'm beginning to suspect that those blockheads have something to do with Loftwing's disappearance. Love Machine, those guys aren't going to help find your bird, so you better start searching. I'll fly around Skyward and see if I can spot traces of your bird. Father said he talked to instruct the Howell about the laying start of the ring ceremony, so don't worry, we'll find bird in time. Okay. I don't like to see you leave, but I love to watch you go. That's kinda creepy. And perverted. Love Machine. Have some respect for women. Let's save. Saving. Saved. Okay. Ooh. What's up, girl? Hey. What's up? You and me Zelda? Alone? Yeah, that sounds like a picnic to me. How about you? What up, Love Machine? You seem to be in a hurry. What's this about your bird? Oh, that's unusual. Crimson Mothwing. Have I seen him? I'm sorry, I haven't. Why don't you look for him by the statue of the goddess? You have a good view for the hotel from way up there. Just check your map using plus. Knowing you, that's the best way to avoid getting lost. Oh, no. You were not saying I'm simple. You just lost your privilege of being with me and Zelda. No threesome. Never mind. We can still be together. Yeah. We can hang out all night. Let's continue on with this. Finding my bird. Little girl. Ooh. Okay, where am I supposed to go? I don't know where my bird is. How am I supposed to find him? There's the cat. You anger me. Don't meow at me. You chasing me? Don't follow me. Don't do that. Stop following me. I don't. That's it for this episode. Subscribe, like, leave me a comment, and I will catch you. I will leave an indentation in the top right corner of the screen. Why is this cat following me? Let's see if I can get him to go off the edge. I will see you next time. Subscribe for a chance to win a t-shirt. I'll be doing a giveaway soon. So watch for that, and you gotta be subscribed to win. So I will catch you later.